Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the Xiaomi 15T Pro. And this is the top of the line model from the newly launched T series by Xiaomi. As I mentioned in the Xiaomi 15T video, in previous versions the competition was tough because these were devices that offered a lot of specs, really good configurations, but they were very expensive devices to compete with. In the mid-range lineup, it got tough for them, and now Xiaomi has gone even harder. As I mentioned in the Xiaomi 15T video, the 15T Pro base version starts at 9,000 Rs on Xiaomi's official website. It's insane, it's nowhere near the real value of this device. What is it actually worth? And you, who are dying to have a device like this but money is tight, you can take part in the giveaway for this guy right here, which I have in my hands. 12GB RAM version with 1TB in bronze, which I think is the most beautiful, with shares starting at just 5 cents, with shipping and fees included. The link will be in the description for Brazil and worldwide. Please participate and leave a like, it really helps. Check your subscription to the channel to see if YouTube hasn't removed it, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Share this video so everyone can discover this Xiaomi beauty, okay? Alright guys, now let's get to our initial unboxing review with first impressions of this Xiaomi launch 15T Pro. Let's go to the video, let's do this. Starting the unboxing, a white box with the model highlighted right below, the Leica logo, and at the bottom, the Xiaomi Hyper operating system. The small label just has the International Mobile Equipment Identity Code and product version. When we open the box, we find a small envelope containing an ejector pin, quick start guide, energy certificate required in Europe, and a black silicone case. There's a USB-A to USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. Finally, we have the smartphone. Its charging is great. Now with the device set up, we have a beautiful screen, active matrix organic light, emitting diode 6.83 inches with a refresh rate of 144 Hz. Over 68 billion colors, high dynamic range, 10 plus Dolby Vision, and up to 3200 nits brightness. It has a great grip and is very comfortable to hold. It weighs 210 grams, is 8 millimeters thick, and I find this bronze color beautiful. This camera module is impressive, giving a premium smartphone feel, with Leica mentioned at the center of the cameras. It looks beautiful and definitely deserves a classic slap on the back. On the right are the volume and power buttons. On the top there's nothing, it's all smooth. On the left side, also nothing, it's all smooth. At the bottom there's a dual nano SIM tray, 5G a microphone, USB Type-C port, and stereo output. It already comes with Xiaomi Hyper artificial intelligence built in, and it's also linked to Gemini, all already installed on the device. It brings you a range of artificial intelligence options. It's well optimized. Did you see the photo I took during the test? I wanted to photograph nature, but by chance a woman appeared in the photo. I just asked to remove people and they're gone. The photo turns out perfect. It also has artificial intelligence, generated subtitles, a translator, speech recognition to transcribe text, and a bunch of other artificial intelligence features that are already included. All in one place, it's really complete. The 5500 mAh battery isn't silicon carbon but a standard type. Its performance is good. Nothing too exceptional, nothing extravagant. It's not the kind of battery that gives you enough to work all day. You can get through the whole day if it's normal basic use, just regular stuff. Now, if you use it a bit more heavily and demand more from the device, by day's end, you'll need to charge it a bit so you don't get home with a dead battery. And just a reminder, this guy supports wireless charging at 50 watts. That really is awesome. Now, let's move on to the test of the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus processor, 3 nanometers. Here we go, guys. Almost 2,500,000 points on Antutu. That's definitely a flagship score. It heated up to 42.7 degrees and lost 7% battery. Let's run some footage here now, playing with it, playing Call of Duty Mobile with all the settings maxed out, everything at the highest. It's running very smoothly in the transitions, no lag, no problems at all, running very subtly, and the graphics are very good too. And now Asphalt Legends 2, with the graphics, everything maxed out, running very smoothly. Alright guys, running super smooth, very good as well. Guys, this processor will serve you well and handle tasks smoothly for 2 or 3 years without worry. So processing power is more than enough on this device. Very good as well. This guy comes with IP68 certification resistant to 3 meters of depth for up to 30 minutes. As for the operating system, we have HyperOS 2 running with Android 15 on the device. And of course, it also comes with near-field communication connection, so you can make contactless payments, which is really good as well. On-screen fingerprint unlocking and facial unlocking are also working perfectly well, very fast and effective. There are 3 versions, 12 with 256, 12 with 512, and 12 with 1 terabyte. And it doesn't support memory expansion, but it does support 2 nano SIM cards, 5G, and 2 more eSIM connections. Or you can only use 2 active connections at the same time. Now let's move on to its audio and video test. Let's go, guys! Audio and video test with the Xiaomi 15T Pro Advanced 2160. Let's turn up the brightness here as well. Hold on, brightness set maximum, apply pinch, and volume also at maximum. Guys, the audio and image are excellent, and this flexible screen is amazing. Very beautiful colors, very vivid, intense, really strong, you know, very well highlighted, and the brightness is also very intense, really strong. Its stereo audio with double Atmos technology delivers high quality and very loud, clear sound. Now let's start talking about the cameras. On the front, we have a 32 megapixel camera recording at 4K 60 FPS, but with high dynamic range only at 4K 30 FPS. Let's show photos and videos taken with it. Now here, front camera guys, 15T Pro maximum resolution, 4K 30 FPS. Alright, I'm turning around here so you can see. Let's walk a little bit. The sun is shining over there, you see up here, and it's reflecting directly on the lens. Walking here, the floor, the ground is all uneven. Let's see how it's going to stabilize that. And I'm going to walk a little here so we can try to get some shade and test the high dynamic range here. Let's see if there is... Let's check if the front camera has high dynamic range. We've arrived here. And now here in the shade. Wow, great high dynamic range, top notch, huh? The A4K30, look how awesome, huh? Here, even with a split screen, look. It manages to control it very well, very well. Pretty good, right? Look. Impressive, impressive. Here the white ends up staying a little more, see? A little whiter. Let's go back here. It gets really white, right? But the sky holds up way. See, the sky holds up really well. Marvelous show. 4K 30 maximum resolution. Front camera Xiaomi 15T Pro. In my opinion, the front camera is awesome. I really liked it. Comment down below what you think about the camera and also about its audio recording. And now let's go to its rear part. 3 cameras are partnered with Leica. 2 of them are 50 megapixels, with the main one featuring optical image stabilization. A periscope telephoto offers 5x optical zoom plus a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera. All record in 8K at 30 frames per second. Let's see photos and videos from the rear cameras. We're here with the Xiaomi 15T Pro's rear camera, recording in 8K at 30 frames per second, testing the very fast focus here. Let's check the zoom. With the little wheel here, we can go up to 6 times, half a dozen, okay? Returning to 1x now, it doesn't switch to wide angle, but stabilization is excellent. I'm walking, this floor is uneven. You see, it stabilizes well, right? Music. Great job that Xiaomi did here at 8K at 30 frames per second with incredible stabilization. Very good. Focus here again. Got it. Focus, where is it? Focus, there. Now that's it. Awesome, guys. Really cool. Stabilization is a beast. Really good. And now recording at 4K, 120 frames per second. Also walking, we have really good stabilization too. Let's check the zoom here, see if we can use it. We can. We can go up to 6 times as well, half a dozen. 4K, 120 frames per second. Great. And now to finish, 4K at 30 frames per second, also with stabilization, walking here. Let's switch to the wide angle here, if it can open. Look, 0.6. And let's keep calling up to 10, up to 15 times. 4K, 30 frames per second with stabilization going from the wide angle up to 15x. Wonderful, huh? It's also nice to walk more here. And there it is for you guys, rear camera, Xiaomi 15T Pro. Guys, I really like both the front and rear cameras, especially the rear. I liked it a lot. The quality is really good. A photo of Lu there, also very well done, also very well worked. Anyway, I want to know your opinion. Comment down below. What did you think of this smartphone's cameras? Let's move to the final summary and highlight this device's positive points, in my opinion. Its processor is really powerful, very top-notch, and its screen is also a very good organic light-emitting diode. Stereo sound with great quality, IP68 certification, and impressive cameras are highlights of this device. And to finish, the 90-watt turbocharging and the 50-watt wireless charging. And the negative points, in my opinion, are its price, which is very high. Even with resellers, the price is still very high. And its battery, since it's not made of silicon and carbon yet, I think Xiaomi fell a bit short on that. But anyway, I want to know your opinion. Comment down below what you thought about this device. What did you think of the video? Did you like the video? Was it cool? Was something missing? The smartphone is also performing well. Did you find anything bad that you didn't like? Comment down below because your opinion is always very important, okay? Before you leave, don't forget to check if you left a like on this video. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and have the notification bell on. Share this video with everyone, okay? We're in this together. Thanks so much. God bless. Big hug. See you next time. Thanks. I'm out.